the mass of the planet is 1/10 of that of Earth. If we say the mass of the Earth is me, the mass of the planet is 1/10 of mass of the Earth, and its diameter is half of that of Earth. Let's say the diameter of Earth is dE, so the diameter of the planet is half of the dE. So we have to find the acceleration due to gravity of the planet. So we know that g is equal to small g is equal to capital G into mass divided by the radius, the square. So diameter is given. From this we can find the radius, just the half of it. So I can write that radius of the planet is equal to half of the radius of the Earth, right? Both sides divided by 2. And substitute, because we know the Earth's gravity is equal to gme upon re. R is the radius of Earth square. This is for Earth, and for the planet it would be gp is equal to capital G into mass of planet divided by the radius of the planet square. Now just substitute the mass of the planet and the radius of the planet in terms of Earth. So gp is equal to capital G into 1 upon 10 me divided by 1 upon 4 re square. So these terms, so I can write g acceleration due to gravity of the planet is equal to these all terms would make ge, and 1 upon 10 into 4. So gravitational acceleration of the planet is equal to 4 upon 10 into ge. We know that acceleration due to gravity of Earth is equal to 9.8. Just substitute this value. So we get gp as 4 into 9.8 divided by 10. So solving it, we get 3.92 meter per second square. Fourth is the correct option. If you like my videos, please like it, comment it, and subscribe my channel for the next update. And if you want any tuition needs for AP Physics 1, 2, Physics C, E&M, and Mechanics, then you can contact me through this scanner or email me on forcetra.physicss@gmail.com. Thank you and see you in the next video.